first of all, be reassured that most back pain is benign, meaning that most back pain comes from not dangerous causes, such as muscle spasm, tightness of your ligaments, fascia. Just reducing your stress about your back can help a lot. In addition to that, walking is great for your back. Light yoga is very helpful. Stretching in general can be helpful. Having a strong core, such as doing sit-ups or plank exercises, can be beneficial as well. In my work with acute back pain, we of course use things like Advil, physical therapy, exercise to relieve pain. In my patients with chronic pain, I'm thinking a lot more about the role of stress in pain, because stress can cause your back muscles to tighten up, and learning to reduce your stress and connect the stress that you're experiencing with your back pain can help it to go away.